Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I am Rehana. I welcome you all in maths class. Well, today we learn how to measure length in meters and centimeters. For that, let me share the objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to measure length of objects with ruler, measure length in meters and centimeters, understand the relation between meter and centimeter. Now I will tell you what is length. The length of something is the distance between two ends of thing. Do you know how was length measured in old days? Ancient instruments for measuring length: handspan, cubit, foot. These instruments didn't give accurate result because they don't have a fixed value of length and size reduction giving inaccurate result. In modern instrument, we use ruler to measure length of objects. First, I will tell you how to read ruler. Ruler will help us to measure length of small objects. You find many divisions on the margin of the ruler. Some lines are longer and others are smaller. The longer line represents the numbers in centimeters. The small lines between two long lines represents division of centimeter. Now we learn to read a scale. But ruler cannot measure all objects. Ruler is used to measure only short length objects. Now I will tell you another important thing, that is length is measured in different units: millimeter, centimeters and meters. These are the units of length. Measure the length of each object in centimeters. Meters, millimeters and centimeters are the unit of length to measure small objects. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Small objects like can, scissor, comb, pen, etc. We can measure these objects with ruler. For example, let's measure the length of pencil. We start measuring from 0. The length of pencil is 14 centimeter. Now find the length of carrot. The length of carrot is 9 centimeter. Another example, push pin. Length of push pin is more than 2 centimeters. It means 2 centimeters and 4 millimeters. Measure the length of each object in meters. Meter is the unit of length to measure bigger objects. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. We use different instruments to find the length of bigger objects. Measuring tape and meter scale used to measure long objects. Here is plant. The plant is about 1 meter tall. The girl is taller than 1 meter. What is the length of this truck? 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter and 5 meter. The length of truck is 5 meter. Height and length, is it same? No, height and length are different. Height refers to how tall is an object, whereas length refers to how long is the object. Remember, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Goodbye. Best of luck everyone. Allah Hafiz.